inspired by what I just did on Gorilla Tag. I'm going to be doing Katy Perry's Firework Karaoke, and I'm just going to do it, and I'm going to strain my vocal cords. Let's get to it. Do you ever feel like a plastic bag drifting through the wind, wanting to start again? Do you ever feel a piece of paper thin, like a house that caused one blow caving in? Do you ever feel already buried deep, 6 feet under screams but no one seems to hear it then? Do you know that there's still a chance for you? 'Cause there's a spark in you. You just gotta ignite the light and let it shine. Just on the night, like the 4th of July. Baby, you're a firework. Come on, watch your work. Let them go. I just shoot across the sky. Baby, you're a firework. Go on and your colors burst. Make them go. Gonna leave them all in You don't have to feel like a waste of space. Your original cannot be replaced. If you only knew what the future holds, after a hurricane comes a rainbow. Maybe a reason why all the doors are closed, so you can open one that leads you to the perfect road. Like a lightning bolt, your heart will glow, and when it's time you'll know. You just gotta ignite the light and let it shine. Just hold the night like the 4th of July. You're mine. Come and show 'em what you're worth. Make 'em go, I just shoot across the sky, Maybe you're a firework. Come on, let your colors burst. Make 'em go, gonna leave 'em all later. Boom, boom, boom. Even brighter than the moon, moon, moon. It's always been inside of you. Now it's time to let it go. Baby, you're a firework. Come on, show what you want. Make him go, I just shoot across the sky, Baby, you're a firework. Come on, let your colors burst. Make him go, Gonna leave them all in, boom, boom. Even better than the boom, boom, boom. So it's been a boom, boom, boom. Everybody got the boom, boom, boom. Thank you.